DUTRON Bender, a high-performance CNC electromagnetic sheet metal bending machine, proudly made in India and engineered for precision, speed, and reliability. Designed for modern sheet metal fabrication, DUTRON Bender delivers accurate and consistent bending across the full working length, making it the ideal solution for professional manufacturing environments. The machine is available in two working length options, 2500mm and 3200mm. It offers a full-length bending capacity of 1.6mm mild steel and 1mm stainless steel, ensuring uniform bends without distortion. DUTRON Bender features a powerful electromagnetic clamping system, providing strong and even clamping force across the entire sheet for clean, precise, and repeatable bends. Bending operations are carried out using pneumatic cylinders, enabling faster bending cycles, smooth operation, and reduced operator effort, resulting in higher productivity on the shop floor. To further enhance efficiency, the machine is equipped with an advanced NC back gauge capable of storing up to 12 bending steps and 20 different programs simultaneously, allowing operators to handle complex bending sequences with ease and accuracy. Another key advantage of DUTRON Bender is its 4 different degree setting positions available in a single setup. This eliminates tedious angle adjustments, reduces setup time, and significantly increases overall bending throughput. To support a wide range of applications, DUTRON Bender is compatible with various interchangeable clamp bars, making it suitable for hemming operations, radius bending, tray fabrication, panel bending, and other complex profiles. Built with robust construction, intuitive controls, and reliable components, DUTRON Bender ensures long-term performance, consistent quality, and reduced downtime. For more information, pricing, or live demonstrations, reach out to us on WhatsApp. Our team will be happy to assist you. DUTRON Bender, precision engineered. Performance delivered.